Hi guys, we are just test driving Mercedes E250 Convertible, which came in with the DPF issues and the power loss. Problem solved. What would you like to say about your car? How is it responding to you now? How is it?
Well, driving it when it was before the DPF, it was fast. But I can definitely feel that it's breathing. I mean, considering, look. This is the response.
Wow.
Before the road is finished, you're braking. I mean, it's marvelous. I mean, I'm really astonished that this gentleman here is so good at his job. Because this is something else.
Yes.
Straight up.
Yes, straight that way.
This is something else. This is fantastic.
So you got a smile on your face.
Oh yeah.
That's good. That's good.
Dad,
Okay.
Look.
Well, you can. Oh my God! I better hold on somewhere safe. Wow. Wow. Okay. We are Supreme DPF Cleaning Company located in Bromley, Kent. You can find us on Google, www.supremedpfcleaning.com. We are also Engine Remapping Center for Quantum Tuning UK. Our telephone number is 07533 636 194. I hope you enjoy watching this video. See you next time.